Welcome to the Visual Studio tutorial. And in this video, as part 2, we're going to be installing Visual Studio Code. And to do that, type Visual vscode. To do that, type this, vscode. And we're also going to use it for Python. We're going to use the system installer. If you're an administrator, use the system installer. If you're a user, not an administrator, use the user installer. You should see the setup. Click that. Click yes. Then click I accept. Next. And then click desktop icon. Click these two. Click next. Click install. And wait for Visual Code to install. Then click finish. Now you should see this. Then click the 4 blocks, the block over here. Make sure, then type Python. Click this, and let's install Python, because so you should see, click install, wait for it to install. Then right click and click new file, type hello.py, whatever, you can use your folder. And for Visual Code, click file, open folder, and we're going to put a new chapter folder. So we're gonna right click. So anyways, what was I? Okay, so we want to create a folder. Right click, new folder, Python course. Name it. Select folder. And then wait for it to do the Python course to create, and then it's gonna refresh. If you see this, then restart Visual Code. And then you should see Python course. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.